Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start inside the YouTube app, not a browser, because mobile gives direct sharing options. Open the short you want to share and make sure your account and that short are public, otherwise recipients can't see it. Once done, tap the share icon under the video. That reveals platform options. Make sure to pause or note the timestamp if you want a visual cue. You're taking the first actionable step. Get the short visible and open the app-level share menu. You have choices now. Pick a native share destination, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messages, or use nearby device transfer. These send the short without pasting a URL. If the short supports download, save it to your device and then share the file directly. That bypasses links entirely. Alternatively, use your phone's screen recorder to capture the short, trim the clip, and send the resulting file. Make sure to respect copyright and creators' rights when sharing downloaded or recorded content. Finish by confirming the recipient receives a playable file or in-app share. Ask them to open it and confirm playback. If transfer fails, check app permissions for storage and network access and make sure you're on a stable connection. Once done, try toggling airplane mode to force a network view or restart the YouTube app. That often clears stuck shares. Finally, if the short is restricted, change privacy settings or ask the creator for a shareable file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.